Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
U MLA Kapenthor Umkhra constituency uba Lehse ha ka khatsan tarik unai tung arajar arsan uloong ba Lehse ulong uriusan partai ne u politician u Banyngkong ban pensiona da kayo ka bapaka ban pensiong yakin Nongdie Madan hadien balapan kerja lut yaki na road surong jong ka golf club ban weng ya ka jingkapnya ka surong ka balet bawan ki kali man kasngi ha ka baydai bat ka jingkandang yakin Nongdie Madan da ki bor senshar district ha khandailat uba Lehse ha ka jingkran bat kilat pathai khobor ulaong kwa ban kran halor kanika kam kabadang don menta hapo kami jong ka yeng bishar.
I'm telling you that is very clear. Everybody has a right to live. Okay, but if just because that everybody has the right to live, you have to know also their positions. Okay, now the government, the matter now it is lying in the court. I will not be able to tell you anything since the matter is in the court. But everybody has a right to live.
Is it right to forcibly evict them?
No, that matter now is in the court. No, why should I tell this? Let the court take decision only. After that, we will talk.
You have resolved the hawkers problem in your constituency. So, do you think that a similar approach can be adopted for the hawkers in police bazaar?
Can you tell me in which way that we have helped the hawkers in Godfrey area? Can you tell me from beginning a little bit?
You relocated all the hawkers in that particular building.
See, we at the golfing area is near the golf club. It is in the marketplace of the golfing area. Is one of the beautiful locality in Shillong. It is close to the 18 international golf course. 18 holes of international golf course. So we have decided with the Shna, we said that how to get them to reallocate them. Somewhere will be getting them better place. All these years, right from when I was maybe in primary school, I saw these people, street vendors, that are selling their livelihood in the streets of golfing area. So when we got an opportunity, we have built the hawkers market. I think so, if I am not wrong also, I'm a first among all the politicians who has built the hawkers market, which is given free of cost to every hawkers, individual hawkers, where they have been having 28 of them at the beginning, which we have resettled them in not in the ordinary shelter place, but in the mall only, we have sheltered them free of cost. No, I'm not saying that sitting down as looking that means they are wrong, but at least they have to give a decent livelihood to all the street vendors or those who are selling their livelihood in anywhere within Shillong municipal area.